My name is Brooke Shea. I am a project manager at the architectural team. I've been working with Erland since 2019 on a number of projects, starting with design of the Asheville building and moving on to the Jerry building as well as the Sherman building. My experience working with Erland has been a very pleasant experience. A lot of the times when you start projects, the biggest task to overcome is understanding where the people on the other side are coming from, and I think that Erland was a very down-to-earth team where they had the same goals as we did as the architect and as the owner, which is wanting to achieve a successful project. Good projects come from healthy relationships between the architect and the contractor, and that's definitely what we have achieved with TAT and Erland over the years. We had to go through the pandemic together. We started off on site, everything was fine moving forward, and then obviously the pandemic hit, and that took a toll on everyone in the sense that no one really knew what to expect. And even though you can't expect anything starting off a project, that was something that definitely was out of the blue. So I think Erland did a great job of moving forward with that and kept the projects moving as we were going, especially the Jerry building, making sure that all of the subs were on site and making sure that if anyone was out sick, they had the timeline ready to move forward and make sure that we were maintaining our deadlines and goals in order to meet our end task of completing the building. I would also say that keeping all parties involved is a task that's very hard to do sometimes, and working with Erland, that was something that they were maintaining consistently throughout all aspects of the design, whether that was the estimates and getting information back from everyone, or whether that's actually getting punch list items completed. I think that that's something that Erland succeeded at and made the project very successful. There's a quote, "Finding good players is easy, but getting them to work as a team is the challenge." And although that applies to sports, it also applies to construction, because a lot of the times you won't see eye to eye on things, and the team that we are working with at the Jerry building and also at Sherman now has a mutual understanding of each other and what we expect from each other, and just the responsibility in general. It's been very beneficial to know how each other works, and things that we can work on and improve from the Jerry building are being carried over into the new Sherman building. So I think that that's been one of the greatest parts about working with the same team is knowing how each other works. And any relationship, it requires communication and it requires transparency, and I think that that was something TAT and Erland achieved. We were able to know each other's interests, know each other's goals, and work together to achieve those.